Okay, I'm at a curb strip. This is my setup, by the way. I use this sand sifter, carry my stuff in it, and I keep a little plastic bag in there for my finds. I'm at a signal here, 2021. I'm guessing it's probably a penny. But you never know. Here, it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, right about there. So let's give that a shot. Hoping I've got it. Okay. Put this right here so I don't lose my spot. Get my switching hands for the phone. Okay, it should be right there. Feeling if it's close to the surface. Feels like it might be right there. I don't know. Could be frozen here. Let's see if we get in there. It's a little frozen there. It's warm today, even though I'm not dressed for as though it is. It's still in there. Alright, it's hard to dig. The ground's pretty frozen. There it is, and it is a penny. Okay. Just a regular one, on to the next. Alright, another spot right here. About 25, 26, 27. A couple inches down. Give that a shot, see if we can find something. Back here, there's the pinpointer. I want to use my spot. Right about there. Oops, shouldn't have done that right there. Okay. Oops. Okay, back here, looks like. Let's see what we have, if anything. Get this to dig. It's pretty hard again. The top part's a little loose. It's frozen pretty good right underneath. Let's see if we've got anything. Whoops, I think we got it. Nope, maybe not. Okay, we need to tone this down a little bit now. Oh, it's not showing. Okay, it's a little deeper still. Alright, I hope I can get down there. It's a little deeper. Ground's frozen, like I said. Let's see if we got close to it yet. Maybe I'll just turn you off and come back on in a minute. Buzzing down there. Getting closer, just not there yet. Alright. Didn't mean to block your vision. It's hard to dig nice plugs when it's frozen out. Oh, there it is. Looks like a penny. Alright. Oops, I hope that was in the video. Oh, just a penny. Can't see the ear. That's it. In the same spot. I just dug right there and got that penny, but I'm still getting a signal right here somewhere. Oh, right there. So I'm thinking I missed what my original hole was. It's a little softer here, so hopefully I can dig in and get it. Let's see. Trying to keep the camera on. Oh. Is that another penny or maybe a dime this time? It's like a dime. Nope, that's another penny. Regular penny. Okay. Can't tell the year. Oh, good enough. Try it again. Looks like I might have a quarter sitting here. 4 inches down. this out of the way. Get that out of the way. There. About here. Okay. I'm digging with my other hand, holding the camera with this hand. Putting my glove there. This is difficult with one hand. You're gonna have to get some type of a tripod or something to put this on. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting it. Whoops. Okay, let's try right there then. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and dig a plug. Hopefully I can do this one-handed. Still frozen. Not easy. Get it started. Oh, and there it is. There's the quarter right on top. That makes it easy. Thank goodness. Just a regular old clad quarter. No biggie, but it's a quarter. 25 cents richer. I didn't film this one because it was a crappy signal. It was jumping all over the place. I got a dime, a nickel, part of an earring thing, and this. This kind of looks like it might be something. Kind of see a design on it. It's probably just a plain old penny, but I don't know. 16 it rings up as. I don't want to wreck it if it's something good. Oh wait, no, I think it is just a plain penny. It just looked like it had something fancy on it. I think it's just a plain penny. Whoops, let's get you into the viewfinder. I don't know. Just a plain penny probably. Let's see if we can tell by the back. Oh wait, is that the memorial thing? Ah, I think I got excited for nothing. That happens a lot, doesn't it? Yeah, I still can't tell anything. No water here. Oh, I'm gonna get the rub on the grass. See if that cleans it up a little bit to tell for sure. I cannot tell what that is. It's gotta be a penny, right? Right guys, penny? Well, we'll find out later. Alright, let's give this one a shot. It's ringing up as 25, 26, 27. Here. Let's see if we can do this right here so I don't lose it. Sorry about that. 2, 3, 2, 3. Nope, right here maybe? Let's see. Nope, maybe not, I don't know. Well, nothing's coming up, so let's just try giving it a little bit of a hole. Of course, it's going to be real hard right here. So I won't be able to really get in. Sorry that the camera's shaking. I don't have a tripod or anything for it yet. I'm waiting for some suggestions on how to do this. Well, there's something there. Oops. Oh, there it is. Okay, looks like it's a, I don't know, penny. Let's see. Yep, just a regular penny. Regular Lincoln. Okay, let's see if there's anything else in the hole. Whoops. You can see what kind of junk I've got so far. Get that penny out there. There it is. Found a lighter. Ring up as a nickel. The Milky Way surface find. It's probably good. I should try it. I'm kidding. Let's see if there's anything else in the hole, and there is not. Oops, I didn't turn it on. Let's try again. Nope. Guess we're good. Okay. Back later. And of course, I didn't live dig this one. Mistake. Found a ring. I'm hoping it's gold. It rang up as a 17. I thought it was junk. I wasn't even going to bother with it, but 17. It looks really good. Let's get that closer. Oops, where are we? I lost you. There you are. Line of the day, I'm gonna guess. I can't tell if that's silver, gold, or what it is. Looks silvery though. That was 17. That's probably silver. Silvery. So you can see a mark inside. It might even just be junk. I think it's junk. Does it look like it's peeling kind of on the sides? Oh, it's a ring. Rings make me happy. I don't see anything inside, so it's probably just junk, but sure is pretty. Okay. On to the next.